So now the next thing we would do is we get this picture, we get me, and we extend me a little bit for me to be seen more. Then we could do a Ctrl T, no, enter. We get back to the heading. It is a little bit too stretched. Okay. So we stretch it a little bit with a Ctrl T, with just a Ctrl, maybe like that. Then with the Shift Alt, maybe like that. Okay. So that is it. Explore QuickTime for big and small. Then I get to this. Okay. So I get to this. We finished Explore QuickBooks big and small business. Then we go to plan. Double click it. Then we type in that is for big and small business. For big and small businesses. So we get it, and because it is still selected, so we get this and select all of it. Then we come and make this bold, make it a little bit bigger like that. Okay, Explore QuickBooks for big and small businesses. Okay, then we can come here and get this. Okay, so we come back here, we go to the text and double click in it, then we say okay. So for big and small businesses, at low prices, at maybe very low prices. So we do the same thing, select all of them, come here, then change this to bold. Okay, so we are not going to be changing the colors. Maybe we just extend it a little bit this side. Ctrl T again, and again also just scale it a little bit like that. Then maybe we can save it. Okay, back to our downloads, then like QuickTime, QuickBooks, not QuickTime. So now after doing that, we save. Okay, so we save it as a PSD, meaning that we can come back and re-edit it. Then if we come back here, we want to tamper with this. Okay, so we are going to remove this 50. Where is it? Here. Off. So we are going to remove this 50. Then we also remove this. So now we have only this, and we say $30 days free. So we get this. So after doing that, we click, we get back to the text tool, then we select all of them. When they are selected, then we align them in the middle, like themselves as the words. So after that, we come, first get back and click here. First see, if I click enter, so then after I click just this when I'm in a move tool, then I'm going to be changing it. When I get the text tool, I select Ctrl A, all of them, then I go here and put in agency. Okay, let me use area. I want to, if at all you have one with bigger size words, bigger sized words, then it would be better. Arial, then Arial black. Let me use Arial black. Okay, then from that what I would do is I select all of them, and on giving color I go for this one, like that. Then a Ctrl T. So I may also look at giving it a shadow, but let me leave it. Maybe what I would do, go back to the clouds. So to the clouds, these clouds of mine would extend a little bit. Oops. Maybe just moving them up a little, like that. Okay, so I Ctrl S to save. Then from there I'm going to be looking at inserting images that I would want to be there. But before that, maybe I would first go to my image, then give it a mask like that, then go get a brush, and after that remove caps and get to about 1000 is too big. I reduce it a little bit like that. So then I start brushing it. I save it. So I'm going to be saving it, but besides that, what now I would do here is I have to bring in images, of which images I would want to have pictures of QuickBooks. Maybe what I would do is remove these boxes and bring in a snip. Okay, because if I just leave this, it won't, they won't appear. Let me first try it and see. Let me first get something here. So if I go to desktop, get some of the snippets I made. QuickTime. So I get this and bring it to Photoshop like that. Enter. Then scale it with a Ctrl T. So if I get it and bring it below this, then come to the cloud, because I see the cloud is covering part of the what, like it should be somewhere there. Then the image, where is it here? Control T, rotate it a little. Then scale it. Then besides that, I would have a button, this button. So the button should be above my image, like that. Okay, no, I wasn't meaning that button. Okay, that one can also be there, but I was looking at the one with the 30 days. Contrast, contact text. I don't want that. Maybe okay, I'll put mine. Then from here, I don't want these ones, I remove them. Discount, okay. The discount button should be above. Control T. Then the cloud too. Clouds must be above this. So what have we enclosed? I believe that is it. Then maybe what I could do is come here on discount, Control T, to scale it down. Because it is too big, and come here. So when we go inside, we get this text and move it a little bit. Like there. So now after that, we are going to be using, that is this image. The image that is for QuickTime. Let us fade it a little. So if we give it a mask, then we come here, get our brush and brush it. Okay, like that. So from that we come to this downer part where we add contact, then click this and enter inside. I would put latest. latest www.latest music.online. Okay. .com. So then the phone numbers, I double click that, and that is plus. So these phone numbers are on WhatsApp. We can talk on WhatsApp 70170779 and plus 256 78210 8549. So from that we can get this and put that, then get this and put that, then also this one and put that, plus this, put that. 07017 okay. So it is a 07017 okay. I had made a mistake here. Okay, like that. So from there we can scale it down with the T. So I'm just going to hold this side, hold Control plus Shift. Okay. Control Z. It is not giving me what I wanted. Let me do it manually by just holding the end and dragging. Then from there I want to give it Control Z. No. Click on a tool, then Control Z to take it off. Then you go back to the text, double click here, then inside select by clicking Control A, then make this bold. Okay. So now I believe at least we can go with that. So if you need to just beautify it more, then it means that you would go for what? You would go for more details in your Photoshop, okay? So besides that, now the other thing that we would look at doing is we go back here, we go back and get this whole thing, then we'll move it a little bit down. Okay, like there. Then from there, what we would do, if at all I want to make some correction within the image, where is my photo? I select it. Okay, then I press a Control L, then make some, darken it a little bit. So like that. Then that is it. So I can go here, click Save As. Then I want an image, JPEG. Then I save it on desktop in fonts, QuickTime Books. So since it is going to be for YouTube, maybe there medium, because if it becomes that of huge MBs, it won't be allowed. So I also save as PSD in downloads. Now I want it to be kept in music here as a PSD. So everything has been saved, and now I'm going to be importing it on my video, and I will be showing you the different steps. So thank you for watching. Thank you for having subscribed to the MUCIAN Scripts channel, and I love you all. Thank you for being there for me, and please help me share with friends and help me grow as a creative. Thank you.